Okay, so now it is live, fine. So as I told in the previous chapter, we have already finished this chapter, that is conversion of time. So that full complete exercise we have completed. So let us move on with the next chapter, that is measures of length. Our next chapter is measures of length. So in this chapter, we will be learning how to measure the length of a given thing, and also how to convert from one quantity into another quantity. So this chapter already I given some work in the previous class when I was taking in the live class on your Zoom. So that time I had given some of the questions. Measure the length and write in the textbook. Page number 130 already I have given that. So now to measure the length, which instruments we will be using? If you want to measure the length of anything, which instruments from your geometry box we are using? कौन सा इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज करते हैं लेंथ को मेजर करने के लिए? All of you, those who know the answers, okay, scale. So we can call it as scale, or else in mathematical words, in textbook, most of the time you will not find scale. So that instrument will be called it as ruler. Okay, RULER, ruler. Or else that in normally what we are doing, we are telling it as scale. So already you might have seen the scale. I had taken a wooden scale, and this wooden scale is up to 50 centimeter, and whatever you are having in your geometry box, it will be up to 15 centimeter, the short one. Okay, it will be up to 15 centimeter. So now if you look at this ruler, I think it is not focusing. Okay, 1 minute, is not focusing. Fine. So already you know the ruler, it will be starting from zero. And whenever you want to measure any of the object, किसी object को measure करना है. Suppose let us say we want to measure the side of this triangle. This is a triangle, and the length of all these three sides we have to measure. We want to measure that. Then how to measure that length? So कैसे measure करना है? So you know that in ruler, in some of the ruler, from both the sides it will be starting with zero. किसी किसी ruler में दोनों की तरफ से zero से start होता है. किसी किसी में क्या है? One side सेंटीमीटर में रहता है और नीचे वाला इंचेस में रहता है. Okay, you might have seen your rulers. On the one side you will be having centimeter, on the other side you will be having inches. जो बड़ा बड़ा वाला इन हो length रहता है, that will be in inches. Okay, so now if you look at this scale, here you are having centimeters, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. For every one they are given numbers, like it is in continuous. So that we call it as 1 centimeter. And between this 1 centimeter, suppose you take this ruler, just I am writing part of it. This will be your 0, and here it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will continue. Okay. So now, between this 0 to 1, we are having 10 divisions. 0 और 1 के बीच में क्या है? 10 divisions है. And that 10 division, each divisions we call it as millimeter. Between these 0 to 1, we are having 10 small divisions, and the small divisions we call it as millimeters. Okay, and if you are having scale, that already you know. If you are having scale, from there also you can see 0 वन के बीच में 10 डिविजन्स है एंड दैट स्मॉल स्मॉल डिवीजन, दो छोटा छोटा डिविजन्स है लाइन्स, फॉर ईच डिविजन वी कॉल इट एज मिलीमीटर्स. नाउ हाउ टू मेजर द लेंथ ऑफ एनी ऑब्जेक्ट. उसके लिए क्या करना है, जीरो कहां से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, इधर से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, फ्रॉम दिस साइड, इवन फ्रॉम दिस साइड आल्सो इट स्टार्टिंग. सो हाउ टू मेजर इट, वो जीरो को मैच करना है वन एंड से. जैसे यार द ऑब्जेक्ट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम हियर, सो कीप योर स्केल ऑन वन एंड, और उसके बाद क्या करना है, और we have to see where it is matching. So here if you can see here it is not okay, let me keep it at the back side. इधर से जीरो से स्टार्ट कर दिया and where it is going up till here. Okay, so now if you measure it is matching at 23. Okay, it is matching at 23. 23 means what? The length of this side. Which side? From here to here. This side will be how much? 23 centimeters. The length of this side, let us A. The length of side A, I am writing this as A. So the length of side A will be 23 centimeters. Now, let us take the other side. A हो गया. Okay, so let us take this side now. How to measure it? Again, keep one side on zero and check where it is meeting on your scale. So sometimes it will meet completely और कभी कभी क्या होता है बीच में आ सकता है. So now if you look at this one, it is not completely coming on numbers. नंबर का बीच में है. So कैसे है? Let me draw that on the board because the scale is not visible here. Here 17 is there and here 18 is there. Let us say this is 1. So your scale is like this and वो ऑब्जेक्ट कैसा आ रहा है, like this, between, like this it is coming. आपका ऑब्जेक्ट इधर तक ही आ रहा है, कहां तक, इधर तक. Okay, so now this we have to write it here, how much length is there, that we have to write here. ये 17 हो गया, 17 से थोड़ा आगे और 18 से थोड़ा कम. कितना आगे? If you can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 small division आगे. So now how to write that length in centimeters? So that we can write it as 17 completely हो गया, 17.8 centimeters. So whenever you are having in between, so that time you can count the small divisions and you can write it as 17.8 centimeters. So you don't have to write that in the notebook, okay? So just I am teaching how to measure the given length using scale. Scale use करके कैसे measure करना है, that I am teaching now. Okay. So this is very simple and already I have given some of the questions based on this. Page number 133. Sorry, page number 130. In page number 133, there were few questions and that question I told you to do on that day itself. Okay, so what I told, they are given line segment PQ, एक PQ दिया है. Okay, this is your PQ. और उसको मेजर करके कितना सेंटीमीटर है उसको लिखना था. Same way they are given one rectangle. So there also what they are doing, they are asking you to measure the length of rectangle and they are asking you to find the sum of all the sides. जितना भी साइड है उसको मेजर करके टोटल निकालने के लिए बोले थे. And same way in you are having one more figure that is triangle. और एक फिगर था ट्रायंगल और उसको भी मेजर करके क्या करना था हमको, पूरा तीनों साइड्स का टोटल निकालना था. So this question already I given in your class while taking on Zoom class. While taking Zoom class, So already I told you to do this one. So next we were learning about conversion. ये already हमारा हो गया था. Okay, so very good. Those are done. It is very good. So now let us move on with the next concept, that is conversions of measurement. Conversion of length. Conversion of length. Okay. So now, if you want to know or if you want to convert a length from one unit to another unit, okay, so that means we should know the relation between these two lengths. अगर उसका रिलेशन क्या है उसको पता है तो then directly we can convert them. Okay, so let us try to find out the relation between given two units of the length. First, let us take 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeters? Now look at this one. 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeters? 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeters? 1 centimeter already you might have seen on the scale. So 0 to 1, that is called as 1 centimeter. और इसका बीच में जो small lines है, that we call it as millimeter. So now you check it here. 0 to 1 कितना small lines है? कितना small lines है? We are having 10. Okay, 10 small lines. Okay, so that's why 1 centimeter. In order to make 1 centimeter, so there are 10 small lines. 10 small lines of millimeter. So that's why 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Next, let us take 1 meter. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? In order to make 1 meter, how many centimeters we have to put there? How many centimeters will make 1 meter? Okay, so 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. And at last 100, not 10. 1 meter. In order to make 1 meter, we have to put 100 centimeter. So that means this is 50 centimeter. हमारा स्केल जो है ये 50 सेंटीमीटर का है स्केल. ये 50 सेंटीमीटर का स्केल है. And again you have to take another 50 centimeter because दो 50 मीटर ऐड करने से क्या होगा 100 सेंटीमीटर हो जाएगा. So from here to here, all of you look at the board. From here to here, that will make 1 meter because we are having 50 centimeter scale. So उसको दो बार ले लिया 100 सेंटीमीटर हो गया. Okay, so this 100 centimeter, this 100 centimeter will make 1 meter. So either you can write it as 100 centimeter or else you can write it as 1 meter. Okay. And at last we are having one more conversion, that is 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1 किलोमीटर में कितना मीटर्स होता है? Okay, very good. Okay, so in 1 kilometer we will be having 1000 meters. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. That means this is your 1 meter. ऐसा वाला 1 मीटर हमको 1000 बार लगाना पड़ेगा, then it will make 1 kilometer. Okay, so like this 1 meter, if you put 1000 times, then it is going to make 1 kilometer. So these are the relationship between one unit to another unit. So this you have to remember, these are the relationship between from one unit to another unit. 1 centimeter, where you will be having on the scale you will be having 1 centimeter, 0 to 1, that is called as centimeter. So in order to make 1 centimeter, there will be 10 millimeters. Same way, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So इसको यूज करके we will be converting units from one to other one. Okay, so let us take some questions and let us start doing the questions. The question is change into centimeter. 3 meter is equal to dash centimeter. All of you do it. Change into centimeter. And first question is 3 centimeter. You have to convert into centimeter. Sorry. Change into centimeters. 3 meter. They are asking you to convert into centimeters. All of you convert it and write your answer. So we know that, okay, very good, already we got the answers. So whenever these type of questions are there, what you have to do, you have to write step by step. First write 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters. We know that 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters, 100 centimeter. So 1 meter के लिए 100 centimeter है, then 3 meters के लिए कितना होगा, it will be 300. Then for 3 meter it will be 3 into 100, it will be giving how much? 300 centimeters. So here we write 300 centimeters. Let us take one more. 7 meter is equal to how many centimeters? So this easily you can write. 7 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 7 meter is equal to, okay, 7 meter is equal to 700 centimeter. Here also you can use this step only. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then 7 meter is equal to 7 into 100. You will get 700 centimeter. Let us take the next question. Convert 5 meter 90 centimeter into centimeter. Convert 5 meter 90 centimeter into centimeter. अभी क्या करना है, दो यूनिट्स में है, 5 मीटर में भी है और सेंटीमीटर में भी है. So इनको क्या करना है, we are convert that into centimeter. So convert it and write your answer. Anybody got answer? Okay. See now in this type of questions, all of you see here how to do in this type of questions. 5 meter 90 centimeter. This you have to convert into centimeter. So first look here. 5 meter it is in meter and 90 centimeter it is already there in centimeter. सेंटीमीटर, उसको कुछ करना नहीं है. So 5 meter 90 centimeter we can write as 5 meter plus 90 centimeter. Okay, 5 meter 90 centimeter we can write as 5 meter plus 90 centimeter. Now 5 meter means how many centimeters? Already we are like 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then 5 meter is equal to how much? 500 centimeter plus this 90 centimeter will write as this. Now 500 centimeter plus 90. 500 plus 90, how much you will get? 590 centimeter. So what they are asking? They are asking you to convert this into centimeter. So जो भी 5 मीटर है उसको सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट के उसको 90 से ऐड कर दिया. Okay, so you will be getting how much? 590 centimeter. Let us take one more question. The next question is 11 meter 75 centimeter. 11 meter 75 centimeter into centimeter. Convert 11 meter 75 centimeter into centimeter. Do this and write your answer. Okay, so 11 meter 75 centimeter means we can write it as 11 meter plus 75 centimeter. Okay, we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, then 11 meter is equal to 11 into 100. बस उसमें क्या करना है और दो जीरो ऐड करना है to convert into centimeter. So 11 meter is equal to 1100 centimeter plus 75 centimeter. उसको 75 centimeter जो भी हो उसको ऐड करना है. So now 1100 plus 75. 1100 plus 75 will get 1175 centimeter. 1175 centimeter. So this is the answer. Let's take one more question. They are very easy questions. Okay, let us take one more. 47 meter 9 centimeter into centimeter. Convert 47 meter 9 centimeter into centimeter. This is your last question. Okay. After this, we'll close our live session. We'll end our live session. Convert this 47 meter 9 centimeter into centimeter. See, convert it properly. Don't do it in a hurry. I know that most of you will write that answer. That's why I have given this question. So first term we know 47 meter 9 centimeter. How to write it as? We can write that as 47 meter plus 9 centimeter. We can write like this. You have to do this in notebook, but don't worry, you are having exercise question. So those things you can do it in your notebook. Now, after this, what we have to do? We have to convert this meter into centimeter. So हर बार हमें क्या कर रहा है? जो भी नंबर है उसको और दो जीरो ऐड करना है. To convert meter into centimeter, we have to add two more zeros. That already I know that we know that. Or else you can multiply this 47 by 100. You will be getting or you will be converting that into centimeter. So 47 meter is equal to 4700 centimeter. Because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, then 47 meter is equal to 4700 centimeter plus 9 centimeter. Now you add these two, 4700 plus 9. So how much you will get? 4700 plus 9, 4709 centimeter. 4709 सेंटीमीटर। और जो भी आप लोगों ने आंसर जो लिखे 479 सेंटीमीटर, ये कब आएगा आंसर? ये आएगा when you are having question 4 मीटर 79 सेंटीमीटर। जब ये क्वेश्चन रहेगा 4 मीटर 79 सेंटीमीटर, then you are going to get this answer. Okay, so for this question, this is the answer 4709 centimeter. Okay, I hope all of you understood this. So I'll be giving some question in your Google Classroom. Google Classroom में जाके check करो और उस question को कर लो. Okay, so thank you all. Have a great day. See, every day, Monday, Tuesday, Friday, I will not be putting any messages in the WhatsApp group. Directly come and join the class. Okay, because these 3 days already you know the schedules, and it has been, we are following the schedule from so many days. Okay, so don't wait for any messages. At 1 o'clock, be online. That's all. Okay, so thank you all.